Hello, my dear students. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Before myself, Tirunagara Manohar, Department of Mathematics, University College of Science, Tumkur, Karnataka. My mobile number is 6302026237 and 8985084319. Okay, my dear students, this is my brief introduction. Now I came here to introduce differential equation, which is BSc of Tumkur University. Under BSc of Tumkur University, Unit 1, I am giving complete guide course. In this Unit 1, already Part 8 is completed. So if you not watch that previous Part 8, please watch that previous videos and come to this video, Part 9. Okay, my dear students, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagara Manohar and like this video, share to your friends as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Okay, my dear students, in the last video lectures we discussed about homogeneous differential equations. Under homogeneous differential equation, now I want to continue the problems. So, 8th problem, already 7 problems completed. Now 8th problem, solve x into tan y by x minus y into secant square y by x into dx plus x into secant square of y by x into dy is equal to 0. This is a beautiful question, my dear students. I hope you all clear this question. I move on to the solution part. See here, in this solution part, I am rewriting the question as given differential equation, rewrite as, see here, x into tan of y by x minus y into secant square of y by x into dx, right as it is, which is equal to minus of x into secant square of y by x into dy. Okay, now from this equation we want to make it dy by dx as subject, dy by dx as subject. See here, my dear friends. So that's why here left side dx is there. So that's why this term keep it as it is. Minus of this minus I am taking this side, minus of x into tan of y by x minus y into secant square of y by x divided by this x into secant square of y by x, secant square of y by x. Okay, my dear students, call it as this is equation 1. Call it as this is equation 1. Clearly, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Clearly, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. See, by solving this one, put y is equal to vx. That implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by x. So then equation 1 becomes so here in this equation dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, which is equal to minus of x, right as it is, tan y by x. Here y is equal to vx means y by x is equal to v. So that's why tan v minus y into, so again y value we want to substitute. Y is nothing but what? Vx. Y is equal to vx into secant square of y by x means v will come. Okay, divided by this is what is x into secant square of y by x. X into secant square v, this one, secant square v. In here in the numerator, take it x as common. this left side turn right as it is. So ab plus x into dv by dx right as it is. So here in the denominator x take it as common. So tan v minus v secant square v into x will come divided by x into secant square v. This x get cancelled, remaining term is there. Now this plus v take it to the right side, that becomes x into dv by dx is equal to minus of tan v minus v into secant square v divided by secant square v plus v becomes minus v. V means v by 1. V means v by 1. Okay, my dear students, this becomes x into dv by dx right as it is. Here LCM is how much? Secant square v is the LCM. So that's why this one we want to make it simplify. Minus tan v, minus into minus plus v secant square v. So this one minus v into secant square v minus v into secant square v. Here plus v into secant square v minus v into secant square v get cancelled. Remaining term we have to write as it is, x into dv by dx, which is equal to minus tan v by secant square v, minus tan v by secant square v. Now we want to apply variable separable method. Apply variable separable method. Then we get what is that? Secant square v by tan v into dv is equal to minus dx by x, minus dx by. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both the sides. So that becomes integral secant square v by tan v into dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. So then by differentiating tan v, secant square v will come. By differentiating tan v, secant square v will come. So that's why this becomes log of tan v. Why? Because it is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. That is equal to log f of x. Here f of x is equal to tan v. So that's why this becomes log v is equal to, so this minus value I am writing this left side, that minus becomes plus. Now this log x is equal to, of course, integral constant log c will come. So this is, we want to apply log property, log m plus log n property. So that is log x into tan v. So this is equal to log c. So both side log get cancelled. Remaining term x into tan v is equal to c. Now replace v by y by x. Replace v by y by x. So this implies that x into tan y by x is equal to c is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay, I hope you all clear this one. I will move on to the next question. This is very important one. Very important one. Ninth question for 5 marks. See here, my dear students. Solve x into cos of y by x plus y into sin of y by x into y minus, next term, y into sin of y by x minus x into cos of y by x into x into dy by dx. X into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is one beautiful and interesting question. See here, I will move on to the solution part. See here, I am giving given question right as it is. Given question or given equation, given differential equation can be written as so dy by dx make it a subject, dy by dx make it subject. So that's why this minus value take it to this side first of all. This minus value, that is what, x into cos of y by x plus y into sin of y by x into y this minus value take it to the right side, that becomes so positive. This is equal to y into sin of y by x minus x into cos of y by x into x into dy by dx. So now we want to make it dy by dx as subject in this equation. Dy by dx as subject in this equation. Just a second. Okay, this is dy by dx. Okay, in this equation we want to make it dy by dx as subject. Dy by dx is equal to, so this term we want to take it to the right side. So that's why here x into cos of y by x plus y into sin of y by x, right as it is. Old into y also is there this side. Here y is there, into y is there. So that's why this is into y divided by here y into sin of y by x minus x into cos of y by x into x is there. Clearly, by observing this equation, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Clearly, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, my dear students. Now, for solving this one, put y is equal to vx. That implies make it a differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. Now substitute this value in equation 1. That equation 1 becomes, here equation 1 becomes v plus x into dv by dx will come. Next, here x into cos of y by x. X into cos of y by x means, here y is equal to x, y by x means v, x into cos v plus y into, y means vx into sin y by x means sin v into y. Okay, this y by x also we have to write v. This y divided by yx also v. So v divided by y into, y means vx into what? Here sin of y by x is there. Sin of y by x means v minus x into cos of y by x means cos v is there. Okay, I hope you all understood this one. Now this plus v, take it to the right side. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to v in the multiply mode first. So that is nothing but, see here, v into x cos v plus vx into sin v divided by vx into sin v minus x into cos v is there. This plus v take it to the right side, that becomes minus v, plus v becomes minus v. So this plus v I am taking into right side, plus v becomes minus v. So now this left side term right as it is, x into dv by dx right as it is. Here LCM is how much? Vx sorry, before this step, first x make it a common. Before these steps, x we want to make it cancel. We want to make it cancel before taking it to the v. See here, just a second. Here v plus x into dv by dx right as it is. Here in the both numerator and denominator, take it to vx as common. So that's why x into cos v plus Here y by x is there, here y is there, here x is there. Okay, my dear students. Okay, v into x common is that v into sin v into y divided by, here x make it common, x v into sin v minus cos v into x. This x write as it is. Here this x get cancelled. Now this becomes v plus x into dv by dx is equal to cos v plus v sin v into this denominator x I am taking into the numerator y by x. Y by x also v is there. Y by x also v. Here itself we kept it this v. So that's why this becomes v. So again this is equal to v into, so this divided by v into sin v minus cos v, sin v minus cos v. Okay, now this right side plus v take into the left side, x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v square into sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v plus v becomes minus v. V means v by 1. I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next step. This left side term x into dv by dx write as it is. Take it LCM. LCM is v sin v minus cos v is the LCM. Now here by simplifying this one, v into cos v plus v square into sin v minus v into v sin v, that becomes minus v square sin v minus into minus plus v cos v. So my dear students, here plus v square sin v minus v square sin v get cancelled. Remaining terms here, x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v cos v, 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v is there. So now we want to apply variable separable method. Apply variable separable method. Then we get what? Integral. Sorry. By applying variable separable method, we get v into that. This becomes v into sin v minus cos v divided by v cos v into dv, which is equal to 2 already is there into dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. So then this becomes, it is in the form of, see here v cos v is the denominator is there. By differentiating v cos v, keep it as it is, differentiation cos v minus sin v will come. Next cos v, keep it as it is, plus cos v into 1. So that's why I am doing one operation here by taking minus as common in the numerator, that becomes cos v minus v sin v by v cos v into dv, which is equal to 2 into d integral dx by x. Okay, now this is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. Integral f of x into dx. So this is equal to, here f of x is equal to what? V cos v, which is equal to 2 into log x plus of course log integral constant log c I am taking. Okay, now this minus value take it to that side, left side, right side. So this becomes 2 log x means log x square plus this minus value take it to the right side, that minus becomes plus log of v cos v plus log c is equal to 0. Now we want to apply log properties, that is log m and o. So that is equal to x square into v cos v into c, which is equal to 0. Now we all know this one property, log m is equal to n implies m is equal to e power n. So this property we want to apply here. So that's why log x square into v cos v into c is equal to 0 means x square into v cos v into c is equal to e power 0. E power 0 means 1. So this becomes x square into v cos v into c. I am taking this side. Now replace v by y by x. So then this becomes what? X square into v means y by x into cos y by x, which is equal to this 1 by c I am taking. See here my dear students, one x get cancelled. This becomes xy into cos of y by x is equal to c dash, where c dash is equal to 1 by c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Okay my dear students, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next problem. That is 10th one. See here, solve x into sine of y by x, sine of y by x into dy plus, sorry, not plus is there, is equal to y into sine of y by x minus x into dx. This is also same like this. So that's why we have to write the given equation as given differential equation is what? X into sine of y by x, x into sine of y by x into dy, which is equal to y into sine of y by x minus x into dx is there, So from this equation make it to dy by dx as subject. From this equation dy by dx as subject. That becomes y into sine of y by x minus x divided by here x into sine of y by x is there. So my dear students, here in numerator take it x as subject, take it x as common. So this becomes y by x into sine of y by x minus 1 will come divided by x into sine of y by x. Okay, here x get cancelled, here x get cancelled. So that is nothing but dy by dx is equal to y by x into sine of y by x minus 1 in the numerator, and denominator is sine of y by x. Okay, this is called it as equation 1. By observing this one, clearly it is a homogeneous equation. Clearly it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, why? Because this is a f dash of x to the f of x comma y by g of x comma y degree same. So that's why it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now for this purpose, put y is equal to dx, then by differentiating it dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. Now the equation 1 becomes, just a second, I will make a border for this. So this becomes, okay, next question, next one more quiz I am opening. Okay, see here, my dear students. Here, by putting these values in this equation, that becomes V. This becomes just a second. I will change as plain options. Okay, by putting these values, V plus x into dv by dx is equal to, what is this here? Y by x into sin y by x minus 1 in the numerator is there. Y by x means V, sin y by x means sin V minus 1 divided by, in denominator, sin y by x means sin V, sin y by x means sin V. So here, plus will take it to the right side, that becomes x into dv by dx is equal to V into sin V minus 1 divided by sin V plus V, take it to the right side, that becomes minus V. So then this becomes x into dv by dx is equal to V into sin V minus 1 divided by sin V. Sin V is the LCM. This one minus V into sin V will come. So here plus V sin V minus sin V get cancelled. Remaining term x into dv by dx is equal to, what will come? Minus 1 divided by sin V. Minus 1 divided by sin V. Now applying variable separable method. Applying variable separable method, we get, so that becomes sin V into dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. So this way, by taking integration on both sides, this will come integrating. So integral sin V means cos V. Integral sin V means cos V, which is equal to minus log x plus log c. This minus log x taken to the right side, this becomes cos V plus log x is equal to log c, or simply c we want to take it. Simply c we take enough. Integral constant here we take c enough. So this becomes c. So now replace v by y by x. Then we get, so then what we get here? Cos of y by x plus log x is equal to c is the required solution of the given problem. Okay, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next question. That is 11th question. See here, this is also very important. This is also very important. Solve 1 plus e power x by y. E power x by y. This is x by y. Different problems here. X by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all clear this one. I will move on to the solution part. Solution part is here. Given differential equation can be written as, see here, this 1 plus e power x by y into dx, keep it as it is, plus into e power x by y. Second term I am taking into the left side, right side, that becomes minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy. Okay, now from this equation, see here e power x by y is there, so that's why make it dx by dy as subject. Make it dx by dy as subject. So that becomes minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y divided by 1 plus e power x by y. Call it as equation 1. By observing this also, this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Then for solving this one, here dx by dy is there. So that's why put x is equal to vy. Then this becomes by differentiating with respect to y on both sides. So dx by dy is equal to v into 1 plus dy by dx. dy by dx. So then equation 1 becomes dx by dy means what? This one, v plus dy by dx, which is equal to here e minus e power x by y minus e power x by y. X by y means here v into 1 minus x by y, 1 minus v divided by 1 plus e power v. So now by plus v, take it to the right side. See here, one second. This plus v, take it to the right side. So dy by dx is equal to minus e power v into 1 minus v divided by 1 plus e power v plus v becomes minus v. V means v by 1. So this implies that dy by dx is equal to LCM is how much here? 1 plus e power v. So that's why by simplifying this one, e power v into 1 minus e power v, minus into minus plus v into e power v. Now minus v into 1 minus v into plus v into e power v will come. Here, see here my dear students, plus v into e power v minus v into e power v get cancelled. So remaining term, write as it is, dy by dx is equal to minus v minus e power v minus v is there, take minus as common, minus e power minus take common, so e power v plus v will come divided by 1 plus e power v. So now apply variable separable method. Apply variable separable method. Then we get what we get, see here my dear students. So 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v into dv, which is equal to minus here v dy by dx. So this is not y, this is v. This is v. Okay, my dear students, this is nothing but what? V. This is v. dv by dx. So here also dv by dx. Here also dv by dx. So here dv by dx. So that's why here we are taking dv. So minus dx by x. Now take integration on both sides. So then this will get. So see here, by observing, denominator v plus e power v is there. By differentiating this v plus e power v, we will get the numerator. So see here, the differentiation of v, 1 will come. Next, with respect to v, so differentiation of e power v will come. So that's why it is in the form of, see here, it is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. This is equal to log of f of x. Of course, integral c will come. See here, this is here f of x is nothing but denominator is what? Denominator is what? V plus e power v is equal to here minus log x plus log c. So I am taking log c as integral constants. So here this one write as it is log of of v plus e power v. This minus value taking to this side, log x is equal to log c. Now we want to apply log properties. Log m plus log n is equal to m into n. That means x into v power v plus e power v. So this is equal to log c. Now both sides log function get cancelled. So this it becomes x into v plus e power v is equal to c. Now replace v by y by not y by x by y. Why? Because we are taking x is equal to vx. So that's why v is equal to x by y. X is equal to vy I am taking. So that's why v is equal to x by y. This one we want to replace here. So this becomes x into x by y plus e power x by y, which is equal to c. So by simplifying this one, x into x plus y into e power x by y is equal to, divided by y is that this y taken to this side. This is the required solution of the given problem. With this, this homogeneous differential equation completed. In the next video lecture series, we will discuss about equations reducible to homogeneous form. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed very well. And my dear students, like this video, subscribe this video, share it to your friends, as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.